Mars in Ardra in Gemini sign from September 6, 2024 September 29, 2024. Mars in the Ardra is an intense combination and could trigger unexpected events or losses due to natural calamities, hence it carries the energy of thunder. This combination will impact the job market. There could be job cuts in coming months. This energy could also initiate war-like situations among the countries. There could be spread of rumors or defamation of people in high positions. People should be careful regarding online or social media-based fraudulent activities. Avoid sharing anything on social media without fact check. Remedies: chant Am Namo Bhagavate Rudraya. Aries Mars in Gemini sign, Ardra Nakshatra, from September 6, 2024 September 29, 2024. You will feel more action-oriented but feel like efforts are going nowhere. There could be a sudden change in a current job or there is a change in job role. You would make positive changes in your daily routine. You will get relief from ongoing health issues. Positive time to appear in a competitive exam. There could be a difference in opinion with your father or boss at work. Health of your father could also be a matter of concern. After September 18th, marriage-related matters will move in a positive direction. If you are planning to start a new business, plan it after September 18th. Remedies: worship Lord Hanuman. Avoid wearing red color. Taurus Mars in Gemini sign, Ardra Nakshatra, from September 6, 2024 September 29, 2024. You need to manage your funds wisely and avoid unnecessary expenditure. Keep your spouse's health-related matters on a check. If your job profile is related to research, auditing, data mining, data security, your work will be more demanding. People involved in business might have a tough time with partners. If you are planning to make changes to your career, plan it after September 18th. Your speech could be the reason for the sudden problem that you could face, so avoid any argument or unnecessary discussion. You need to be careful what you eat. Some stomach-related problems could disturb you. Remedies: avoid eating spicy and greasy food. Avoid getting involved in any arguments. Gemini Mars in Gemini sign, Ardra Nakshatra, from September 6, 2024 September 29, 2024. You might feel frustration due to some health-related matters, or due to ongoing litigation. It could lead to anger issues or short-tempered behavior. Avoid dominating people around you. You might sign some deals related to real estate or plan some renovation at home. Your spouse could feel more work pressure at home or workplace. There could be sudden gains from previous investments or through some insurance policy. There could be changes or transformation in your current job. You need to be extra cautious while driving. If you have been planning for a surgery for a long time, it's going to be a good period. Remedies: suggestion: avoid wearing red clothes. Give donation to the physically challenged people. Cancer Mars in Gemini sign, Ardra Nakshatra, from September 6, 2024 September 29, 2024. There could be change in current job position or job role. Some of you can travel abroad due to work. There could be some unnecessary. You might have some sleeping issues. If you are in business, you could face challenges due to employees. Students appearing for a competition exam need to put an extra effort. Avoid signing any important documents in a rush. You need to be extra cautious while communicating with others. Avoid nitpicking on small matters. Boost your immune system. You could get easily prone to seasonal infection. The relationship with your spouse could face challenges. Avoid any new business partnership till October 20th. Remedies: suggestion: do some volunteer work at any religious place. Leo sign Mars in Gemini sign, Ardra Nakshatra, from September 6, 2024 September 29, 2024. There will be benefits from real estate matters. Some of you have to deal with matters associated regarding ancestral property. You need to be watchful with your words, else it could cause distance with your extended family. Luck will favor you with all means to make new profitable deals or new sources of income. The relationship with your elder sibling or network circle get hampered, so avoid unnecessary arguments. People in job might experience some transformation in their current job role. Some matters related to your kids could be a matter of concern during this phase. Remedies: suggestion: give donations to the physically challenged person. Virgo Mars in Gemini sign, Ardra Nakshatra, from September 6, 2024 September 29, 2024. You will make some positive changes in your current lifestyle. You will be more action-oriented. There is a possibility of a transformation in the present job profile. There could be traveling due to work. Your spouse will get some monetary gain after September 18th. People in business could make profitable deals after September 18th. If you are involved in a trading or share market, you are advised not to make any aggressive investment. Some matters related to your child could be a matter of concern. There could be some litigation due to documentation or paperwork. You are advised to check pros and cons before signing the paper. Remedies: worship Lord Ganpati. Give donation to cow shelter. Libra Mars in Gemini sign, Ardra Nakshatra, from September 6, 2024 September 29, 2024. This time is favorable if you are planning to do any investment. There will be change or some transformation in your spouse's profession. After September 18th, you will develop a good understanding about the gray area of your life. There are chances of heated discussion or arguments with your father. If you are in a job, you can expect extra responsibility from seniors. Money will be spent on performing religious activities, or some of you plan to visit pilgrimages. Remedies: worship Lord Hanuman. Scorpio sign forecast Mars in Gemini sign, Ardra Nakshatra, from September 6, 2024 September 29, 2024. There would be a transformation in your current lifestyle. You might have to undergo some kind of surgery. Some are advised to be cautious while driving. There would be some work-related short-distance trips. You might get involved in arranging some important documentations. This transit could cause disharmony with neighbors or siblings. You will start considering the additional source of income. Avoid taking any kind of loan till October 20th. Avoid getting involved in any argumentative discussion. Remedies: give donations to physically handicapped people. Sagittarius Mars in Gemini sign, Ardra Nakshatra, from September 6, 2024 September 29, 2024. You need to be cautious in matters related to relationships, whether it's a business or personal life. There is a strong chance of gains through previous investments. If you are in a job, your current assignment might require more research and detailing. You are going to feel more energetic and action-oriented during this phase. You are advised not to get involved in unnecessary arguments. There are chances of disharmony between you and your extended family members, so avoid any critical discussion till October 20th. Remedies: practice meditation, or listen Shivoham Nirvana Shatikam. Capricorn sign forecast Mars transit in Gemini sign, Ardra Nakshatra, from September 6, 2024 September 29, 2024. You will find yourself more energetic and action-oriented in your daily routine. You will feel a strong desire to do the renovation to your current home or move to a new property. You need to be watchful in matters related to expenditure. You might start considering making the positive changes in your current lifestyle and cut down an unhealthy lifestyle. This time is very favorable if you are appearing in a competition. There are chances of injury, so be cautious while handling heavy tools till September 23rd. Remedies: suggestion: avoid eating greasy or spicy food. Recite Hanuman Chalisa. Aquarius Mars in Gemini sign, Ardra Nakshatra, from September 6, 2024 September 29, 2024. You are more focused toward learning some new skills. There will be a positive development. The matters that you feel are stuck in the past after September 18th. The matters related to your child will be a matter of concern, and you might have to make some efforts in that area. Students appearing for competitive exams will do well. There could be some disharmony in matters related to in-laws. The expenditure could be high, so prioritize things prior to making any investment. People involved in the stock market are advised not to make aggressive investments during this period. Remedies: practice meditation. Pisces Mars in Gemini sign, Ardra Nakshatra, from September 6, 2024 September 29, 2024. Your focus area will be making some renovation or decluttering your house. If you are feeling restless from the past few weeks, things will get better after September 23rd. Matters associated with finances will get better after September 18th. This period is favorable for your spouse if planning to make changes in profession. If you are facing problems in your current partnership, things will start getting better during this phase. Remedies: wear a silver chain. Practice breathing exercise or pranayam. This period is favorable for your spouse if planning to make changes in profession. If you are facing problems in your current partnership, things will start getting better during this phase. Remedies: wear a silver chain. Practice breathing exercise.